In the wake of recent gang war case in Fatorda, South Goa and attack on the activist Rama Kankonkar in Panaji, North Goa, Chief Minister Pramod Sawant has asserted that due legal action will be taken to eradicate gangs of goondas and criminals involved in organized crime in the state. It has been seen that externment of these history seekers have not been fully effective in the state, as these criminals commit crimes wherever they are. After attack on the activist Rama Kankonkar, several history seekers were placed under preventive arrest by Panaji Police and Old Goa Police, but they were mostly released within 24 hours in accordance with law. To tackle such situations, to maintain peace, law and order in the society by keeping notorious history seekers in custody for longer period, Goa Police has now sent a proposal to the Goa Government to notify National Security Act in the state of Goa for certain period of time. Now government has to take this decision, and according to sources, Home Department is considering the proposal of Goa Police to notify NSA. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.